you share some more strategies that can help them stop this promotion abuse? What should they be considering or implementing?
They should monitor the behavior of the users and the transactions. When these campaigns are available, most likely the behavior and the number of transactions that are performed by each customer will change. And it's crucial to implement some customized fraud rules to alert any change, any unexpected behavior at any of the stages of this customer journey, so that the fraud prevention team can step in and investigate and mitigate the issue and the bad behavior as soon as possible. So that could be an automated rule, that could also be done by having some manual reviews, but mostly it has to be monitored and the action has to be taken quickly. And the second one is to implement some robust device recognition. The fraudsters usually use the same device to commit fraud over and over and create multiple accounts. So it's important to implement this robust device recognition that can stay despite any manipulation attempt like app tampering, like emulator or man in the middle attack. So one way to create this stronger solution is to pair it with a device fingerprint, with a second signal, for example, like location behavior. So that way you can understand if there is any tampering attempt or if the behavior of that user is changing, but the location usually stays. These fraudsters, they're not moving around with their devices committing fraud. So the location behavior is a very powerful tool that can help make device recognition stronger. And another strategy that is very important is detecting emulators and app tampering. These are tools that are widely used by promo abusers. So it's really important that the delivery app companies are able to detect the usage of these tools and stop them in their operations. And last but not least, fraudsters are advancing every day. So it's important to ensure that the tools that are being used to mitigate fraud, to mitigate promotion abuse, are continuously evolving. It's important to have modern fraud prevention tools and also continue to specialize the teams, because the fraudsters are specializing themselves, right? They are hiring third party tools that continue to evolve to commit fraud, to continue committing fraud. Some ways to stay ahead are to use innovative solution providers, benchmarking, and exchanging knowledge with other companies in the same market. It's important to understand what is happening in the market and in other companies that may not be happening in yours. But in the future, these fraudsters could migrate to committing fraud in a platform as well. So creating this kind of community to avoid fraud is very important.